Welcome to Car AutoZone. Today we're taking a closer look at one of the most underrated full-size luxury sedans on the market, the Genesis G90. If you're looking for first-class comfort, cutting-edge technology, and a smooth ride without the six-figure badge markup, this car is about to impress you. Let's start with the design. The G90 has gone through a major transformation, and it now looks like a true flagship luxury sedan. With its bold crest grille, sleek two-line LED headlights, and elegant proportions, it stands tall among European rivals. The long wheelbase gives it a commanding road presence, while subtle chrome accents and the flush door handles add a modern, refined touch. From any angle, the G90 looks expensive, and that's exactly the point. Under the hood, the G90 offers two engine options. You can go for the standard twin-turbocharged 3.5-liter V6 that delivers 375 horsepower, or step up to the 3.5-liter V6 with a 48-volt electric supercharger for 409 horsepower. The power delivery is smooth and effortless, especially with the supercharged version. It's not a sports sedan, but it has enough punch for confident highway passing and seamless acceleration. The 8-speed automatic transmission is well-tuned, and the all-wheel drive system adds extra grip when needed. Where the G90 truly shines is in the ride quality. Thanks to its air suspension and adaptive dampers, the G90 floats over rough roads like a proper luxury cruiser. It absorbs bumps quietly and keeps cabin noise to an absolute minimum. You feel isolated from the outside world, and that's exactly what a luxury sedan should deliver. Even on long drives, the G90 keeps passengers relaxed and refreshed. Step inside the cabin, and you're greeted by a level of craftsmanship that rivals, and in some cases surpasses, the German competition. Nappa leather, open-pore wood trim, metal accents, and suede headliners create a warm, sophisticated environment. The 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster and infotainment screen are cleanly integrated into the dashboard, and the rotary controller on the center console is easy to use. Everything feels well thought out and beautifully finished. The rear seats are where the G90 really sets itself apart. With available power reclining seats, massage functions, individual climate controls, and sunshades, the rear cabin feels more like a first-class airline suite. Rear passengers even get their own touchscreen controller to adjust everything from seat position to media. If you're someone who prefers being chauffeured, this is the car for you. Technology in the G90 is state-of-the-art. You get a 26-speaker Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, active noise canceling, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, a head-up display, and advanced driver assistance features like lane centering, adaptive cruise control, and remote smart parking. Genesis also includes all of these features as standard, making the G90 an incredible value in this segment. Pricing for the G90 starts below its European rivals, but it doesn't feel like a compromise. In fact, it feels like you're getting more features, more comfort, and more attention to detail. Genesis has made it clear that the G90 is meant to compete with the best, and in many ways, it does just that. So if you're in the market for a luxury sedan that offers elegance, performance, and cutting-edge tech without the luxury tax, the Genesis G90 should be on your radar. It's a quiet, confident statement in a world full of flashy excess, and that's what makes it stand out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video here at Car AutoZone.